If you want to verify your account on X, formerly Twitter, using Twitter Blue, this guide will walk you through the exact steps on a PC, from checking eligibility to subscribing to X Premium and waiting for the blue checkmark to appear. By the end of this video, you'll know what requirements you need, where to click, and what happens after payment. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, before you subscribe, you want to make sure your account is actually eligible. X has a few requirements in place, and if your account doesn't meet them, the verification process may not go through the way you expect. Your profile should be complete, which means you need a display name and a profile photo. Your account also needs to be public, so if your tweets are protected, you'll want to change that first. Another important requirement is account age. Your account should be older than 30 days and have some recent activity. And finally, you need a confirmed phone number linked to your account. These basics matter because X uses them as part of the eligibility check before showing the verified badge. Once you've confirmed that your account is ready, open a web browser on your PC and go to x.com. After the site loads, log into your account. If you're not signed in already, enter your username or email and your password, then complete any login verification that appears. Once you're on the home page, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. In that menu, click on Premium. This is the section where X offers its paid subscription plans, including the option that gives you the blue checkmark. After you click Premium, a menu will appear with the available plans. Take a moment to review the options so you understand which subscription you're choosing. X may show different tiers depending on your region, but for verification, you'll need the plan that includes premium access. Once you've selected the preferred plan, click the Subscribe and Pay button to continue. Now you'll be taken to the payment step. This is where you enter your billing details, such as your email address, payment information, and billing address. Make sure everything is correct before you continue, because any mistakes here can cause the subscription to fail or delay activation. When you've confirmed the details, click Subscribe to process the payment. If the payment is successful, you should receive a confirmation message letting you know your subscription went through. After that, the next step is to wait for account review. This part is important because verification is not always instant. X will review your account to make sure it meets all of the safety and authenticity requirements. They may check that your account hasn't recently changed its handle, display name, or profile photo in a suspicious way. This review helps confirm that the account is not deceptive and that it meets the platform standards for the blue badge. If everything checks out, the blue checkmark should automatically appear next to your profile name. In some cases, this can happen within a few hours. In other cases, it may take a few days, so don't panic if you don't see it right away. Just give the system some time to process the verification, and that's it. That is how you verify your account on X using Twitter Blue, now known as X Premium, on a PC. The process is really about meeting the requirements, subscribing to the correct plan, completing payment, and then waiting for the account review to finish. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you want more clear tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.